What's up YouTube, welcome back to another video. In today's video, man, this is a different type of video. It's more like a self-introspection type of video. I'm going to do a quick fire. Actually, I'm going to do a quick fire question. I'm going to do a quick fire FL Studio questions part 1. So I'm going to drop part 2, part 3, part 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, a lot, bruh. So make sure if you're new to the channel, make sure you subscribe, comment, like, and share all my videos, and watch this video until the end, because you might benefit something, you might learn something, and I don't know, so it's up to you. But before I can go to the video, I just need you, actually new members to the channel, go to my community from time to time, be involved. I post a lot of information, good and bad. Go to my description when I drop each and every video, because I'm gonna leave a free FML, so you can go there and download it for free and watch how I make beats in FL Studio Mobile. You can learn 1 and 2 from me, I don't know. So another thing, I need you guys to go to my Telegram. There's a link in description in this video. I'm gonna share it so that you can go and click on the link and download all the drum kits that I share on my Telegram, and all the sound kits. So that's it. When did you start producing, bro? When did I start producing, bro? I don't wanna lie, bro. It was 2017. I got 7 years in this game and I'm still going strong. I love music production. I make beats each and every day, because like I feel like they help me a lot with a lot of things that are going on in this crazy world, bro. So I just started making beats in 2017. There was a lot of things going on in the music scene, music industry. People were dropping albums, man, not mixtape. I'm talking about albums. And then these albums, they were having, let's just say it's a 10 album. So in each and every album, you'll find that there is 10 tracks that are fire. Only one it's bad, bro. All of those tracks were dope, and I was so inspired with the music and the producers that were coming in the game, like a lot of people. So yeah, man, I'm still in the game. So everything changed when I started understanding that, okay, in the beginning I was struggling a lot. I was making those body set crazy beats, type of beats, but I had to do it every day in order to understand doing and where it's taking me. Guys, trap beats. So guys, trap beats, of course, man, it gotta be trap beat because they're simple. Anybody can make trap beat. Anybody who wanna start, a beginner, anybody who wanna come in this game can start by making trap beats. They're simple to learn, simple to make, not complicated like these other genres, man. Actually, I'm not saying that I don't want to dabble in other genres. I do want to dabble in other genres like drill type beats, pop type beats. I don't like gospel, bro, I don't want to lie. And guitar, reggae, piano, all these type of genres are good for the game, but me, I'm mostly involved in trap beats because I feel like they suit my style and they define the type of music that I like. So yeah, man. Favorite producer, man, it gotta be the one and only Metro Boomin. There's no other favorite producer that I have, bro. No other favorite producer that I have than Metro Boomin. I love Metro Boomin. He's always booming, and me, I love to boom, bro. Actually, all my beats, they got that boom boom boom, the 808. So I love Metro Boomin because it's versatile. He's working with a lot of different artists, and he changes, his music changes, and like each and every year you get a new Metro Boomin. Metro Boomin is the best producer, bro. There's no other producer like Metro Boomin. Ever since he lost his mama, he started to focus more on God and the Bible. I see a lot of his stories on Instagram, bro. Metro Boomin is a goat, bro. There's no other person like Metro Boomin. All these other ones, they are just bro, come on, bro. Of course, man, it gotta be speakers, cause I wanna listen to my beats in the speaker. I wanna listen to the 808. I wanna listen to the bass. If I'm using headsets, then I might be mastering, but I rarely use headsets. I focus on speakers cause they give me the full sound that I need, and I focus more on the mastering and mixing in speakers, and also using headsets from time to time. Of course, I gotta talk about flstudiomobile because I make music in flstudiomobile. The future of flstudiomobile, I see flstudiomobile going beyond, bro. Especially when people are like quiet about it. People are not talking more about it. So I'm just trying to represent and show people that flstudiomobile is here to change the game. Because flstudiomobile is FL Studio, but different is mobile, and you can use it in PC, tablet, and all that. So I see it going beyond. I see it reaching, releasing new updates, like waiting for new update too. So I see it going beyond, and most of the people will come in the game later after they realize that they have underrated it, and now it's overrated. After many people, they come in the game and they start producing, which is what I'm doing right now. So gotta be like, wake up, go brush teeth, and open flstudiomobile, make beats until the end of the day, bro. That's my daily routine. That's what I like to do. Wake up, brush my teeth, make beats until the end of the day, cause like I just wanna make sure I have a good beat at the end of the day, and then that beat I'm playing it for the general public people, and then they love it and they love me for what I'm creating. So that's it, man. Of course, bro, of course, I've been collaborating with a lot of people in 2023. I've been collaborating with Chopper. I'm sure if he's watching the video, shut up, bro. I've been collaborating with a lot of people. Some are not producers. I've been collaborating with producers and artists. So I've been collaborating with artists. I've been getting placements. I have this artist that I made this other song. I don't know if I can share it right now because I don't want to make this video too long. But if you can go and watch my videos, you can see I shared the link of his channel in my videos, and also the community. You can go and listen to the music. It's not the beat, it's the complete music, the track. We made the song. We even shot music videos, because that's what I'm about to do right now. Make music, make beats, and shoot music videos. I prefer to create my own loops. I can use sample loops. I can use loops that were made by other people. I can go and download these loops from Looperman, but I'm not feeling confident because the loop was not created by myself. And these people that create loops, they write in their description that you need to hit them in Instagram so that you can use the loop for non-profit, what, blah blah blah. Man, it's better to create your own loops so that you can understand where your music is coming from and where it's going. So me, I prefer to create my own loops from scratch, my own melodies, and get the bounce, man. It gotta be reverb, because reverb is dope. I use reverb in a lot of orchestral instruments, pianos, flutes, piano sometimes, flute, violins, strings. So it gotta be reverb instead of delay, and I use a reverb in a lot of vocals, so that I can get the full space, the full the space, and so that the vocals can fill the whole space with the reverb. Yeah. I get my drum kit from internet, bro. You gotta be hip into instrumentals. They provide good drum kit, and I'm about to drop a new drum kit that I got yesterday, so make sure you watch my videos. I'm gonna drop it soon. I'm gonna share the link where you can download this drum kit. It's dope, bruh, but actually it's more like a boom bap type of drum key from way back, you know what I'm saying. But anyways, that's it for this video. There's a lot of disturbance going on right here, so but I'm trying to make this video as smooth as possible. So guys, make sure you subscribe, like, comment. See you in the next video. Signing out.
We're rolling and we're moving, how we're moving. Yeah, and I tell her that she leave each and every fucking day. She knows that I be working every fucking day. I can never stop, man, I depend on this. Making it with all day, you know. Catch me silly, catch me moving by. I've been going, I wanna travel to Dubai. Yeah. Look at the view, look at the wide, look at the view, look at the life that we live. Man, I love my girl. Man, I love my girl. Okay, I got one life to live.